All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. To each and every one of you guys, happy Sunday wherever you are around the world. This is the last weekend for the year of 2024. Let's kind of reflect on the year of 2024. It has been a very amazing year for myself, and I'm sure a lot of people that have been in this space for more than 1 to 2 years, especially if you've been accumulating the last bear market. 2024 was a great year if you're looking at the bigger picture. But we're going to be analyzing and really understanding what's happening today and what we could be expecting going into Monday morning before we close out the year of 2024. Looking across the board, quite a bit of red across the market yet again. If you watched my updates last night, I kind of indicated what's happening with Bitcoin and, what to look out for. And, something similar as to what we spoke about, for Bitcoin specifically is occurring right now. So, of course, right now you're looking across the board, we are seeing multiple, projects down, and this impacts everyone, whether you're holding Cardano, Solana, VeChain, XRP, Algorand, whatever the case may be. This is a market analysis update. So obviously, we're on the weekend. On the weekends, we do tend to see more manipulation than usual, and you are seeing quite a bit of red across the market, as you can see. And remember, today is the 29th. Tomorrow, the 30th, is the delisting of USDT from, the likes of Coinbase and some of these big centralized exchanges, in EU. And, that has gotten a lot of people kind of sidelined, just people are worried as to what's going to happen. And, that is creating FUD. And I understand, where people are coming from. It's not that it's something that people are just being scared about for no reason. No, I understand. If you look back at stablecoin that have collapsed in the past, we know what kind of impact that has had on the market. So USDT is not a small stablecoin by any means. We're talking about the third largest stablecoin with the market valuation of $140 billion, guys. So again, we should not be ignoring this. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So let's analyze and take a look at what's really happening and what kind of impact this can have on altcoins. So like I said, whether you hold Caspa, VeChain, whatever the case may be, you want to listen to this very carefully, because I just want to make one update so everyone is kind of on the same page as to what's really happening as of now for the broader market. So right now, obviously I spoke to you guys about how the dominance did pull down, which of course is nice to see. We made our way down to 57.65%, but dominance has been picking up since then because Bitcoin, look at this. Let's actually look at Bitcoin from a closer time scale. So, Bitcoin, made its way down to $93,228 yet again this morning, actually. But, you are seeing Bitcoin picking up traction, making its way back up to $94,000. But you're seeing that pattern that I literally highlighted last night to you guys. You're noticing a little bit of a pattern playing out where, the price of Bitcoin is heading towards the downside. You have seen a consolidation, pull down, consolidation, pull down, consolidation, pull down. And what if we see something like this and do see, that break below possibly the 23.6, Fibonacci retracement level, which of course is a significant amount of support. We've, been retesting the support several times, but obviously that would be the next initial support that I would be looking out for. If we don't hold at the current levels where we are currently at, then, the support at the $92,569 is on the table. If you lose that support, I indicated to you guys, $85,000 is $85,000 to $86,000 is not something that would shock me, because look, 86,685, we have some support around there, but even an $85,000 retest does not come as a surprise to me. And if you want to put that into perspective from where we currently are at, that would mean a drop of almost 10%. This, in return, I believe will cause, the altcoin market to actually start pushing. I'm sorry, the Bitcoin dominance to pushing towards the upside, maybe retesting, the monthly high that we set for ourselves around the 60% mark. If the price of Bitcoin were to drop around here, and again, a shakeout very much, wouldn't shock me based off of what we're looking at right now. Obviously, New Year's coming, a little bit of a shakeout before that. Delisting announcement of USDT in EU has gone gotten some people, sidelined, which of course is, a great thing for, these whales to come out and shake out the markets, and especially ETF flows. If you watched my update, I think it was a day or two ago, you saw Ethereum getting inflows while, Bitcoin was getting outflows. So again, these are some factors we should not be ignoring right now. I do personally project 2025 is going to be a great year. Once Donald Trump comes into the office, obviously, the agenda for cryptocurrency, that's what a lot of investors are going to be looking for. And if there's a lot of good things happening, I think, market will react in a really positive way to that. But in the short term, I want you guys to be taking a look at this, these support levels. Obviously, in terms of the bull case scenario in the short term, if the price of Bitcoin is able to go back above 98,000, possibly tomorrow after the delisting does occur, maybe the market pushes back up into the new years. Now, these are some things that I want you guys to be looking out for. But let me know down below what you guys think. What are your personal predictions? Are you guys ready for the new years? What are the plans? What are your goals for the new years? Share those down below. And love each and every one of you guys that tune in day out. I cannot thank you guys enough for all your support. But 2025 is going to be a great year. Love you all. See you later. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.